I am back with my second recipe. It's much more simpler because I only use three ingredients. Some unsweetened chocolate, vanilla, monk fruit, and my peanuts. And I put it in the freezer for about, I don't know, it was about an hour. So let's taste it. This one looks like a heart. And this is the heart. Wow, let's try the heart shape. Okay, hold on. I hope you can see me. I've got it turned a different way. Opening up my Reese's like peanut butter cups. Look at there, look at there. Ooh wee. Let's try it. Mmm. Mm. Okay. This is good. Didn't have all the extra ingredients that I put in my other one. But both recipes are healthier than the one in the store. Yes, it is. Hold on. You can actually crush this up, put it in some ice cream, and you have a dessert and a dessert. Okay, if you ever decide to make some peanut butter cups and not buy that, what you see in the stores, that has so many extra ingredients, some stabilizers, preservatives. This is just more natural. Bon appetit, and God bless you.